Well, this day didn't really go as planned. Welcome back to part 3 of the garden bed series. Well, if you're tuning in from part 2 and you thought that shoveling the dirt and bringing it from the front to the backyard took a lot of time, well, I'm here to tell you that stapling that chicken wire on at the end of this video, yeah, that wasn't the easiest thing. Safe to say I learned my lesson. Stay tuned and watch how good this turned out. Trick I'm going to do to attach the chicken wire to the fence in here and hold it in on the high side. I'm going to put one nail in each corner so that I can hang the chicken wire on it, so that it'll be a sheet down to the bottom. That'll allow me to hammer each nail in and not have to have 5 hands. All right, a little trick for chicken wire when you buy it in a roll is you have to cut the binding wires and then it'll unravel. So I got the staples on Amazon and I got the chicken wire on Amazon. Highly recommend you buy the chicken wire on Amazon. It was like $37 for a 50-foot roll, where Home Depot and Lowe's and everything was charging around $55, $60. So that was a steal. Highly recommend, if you're gonna do this, go and buy the staple gun. This took me way longer than I expected. All right, so my phone died, but for the gate, I cut out a panel and then I had to staple each individual section. I'll fix that one. And then I cut off the tail end so that you don't hurt yourself if you touch them. Turned out pretty good.